I'm just doing these clips and doing these clip bolts.
Yeah.
These are loose as fuck.
Oh, shit. That's not good.
It's like they've not really been done up.
Yeah.
Like they've not been torqued up.
Yeah, not properly tightened.
That's literally well loose.
Oh, good.
You know in that four-wheel drive, you know sometimes when I go to the third I get a vibration.
Yeah.
It's like this metal plate thing here, I didn't quite put it back in right. Like I trapped it.
Oh, and is it like just moving a bit?
Yeah, it vibrates through. Yeah, these are well loose. It's had a new exhaust all the way back.
Yeah.
Wow, they shouldn't be that loose. You ain't even got to crack them off. I wonder who's put the clutch in.
Yeah.
I think you mean a lot tighter when you do them up.
Yeah.
We put them clutch bolts in. It's just Loctite them. I didn't Loctite them on the 4x4.
Aye.
I didn't think, you know, when I was doing it, because I was doing it at the farm, I didn't really think. Just wanted to get it back in and be able to drive it that day.
Yeah, that's the thing, yeah. Otherwise stuck.
God, this is knackered, this clutch. I reckon they only changed the friction plates when they did the last clutch.
Aye.
Some people do that. They look at some of it and think, yeah, that looks alright. Whoa, hear the bits?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's stuck in there. Oh look, there's a bearing.
Yeah.
That's the clutch off. We'll clean that up in there.
Yeah.
There's some of the bearings. A little bit of metal. It's all metal all the way around there, look. See, that doesn't look too bad, does it? It looks like that's probably the only thing they changed.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a look clutch, so it's one of the good ones. It all
comes the bearings.
comes the full bearings. That's
five there.
See, that's not good, is it?
There's another. Oh, no, there's another. There's another.
So there's all the bearings. That's fucking bad, that. I wonder where they all were.
Losing your bearings.
Yeah, lost me ball bearings. that's all the bearings, what's left. There's probably some more in here. Yeah. That's all of them. See, on the Panda 4x4, these had broke. 2 of these had broke. But this one, look at that how it turns out. It's fucking at the ends off there.
Shredded it.
Safe to say that is cream crackered. I'm gonna get the new clutch.